Hello everyone, this is a smart radio for Peugeot 308 and 408. Equipped with Android system which is easy in use. High definition screen is prepared for playing your show. Support 1080 progressive scannings. Enjoy your video show. Support mirror link for smartphone. Bluetooth allows you dial or pick up your phone hands-free. Open the radio, never miss any news. GPS navigation, always plan the best route for you. Split screen function allows using two applications at the same time. Reverse camera provides a steady clear view output both day and night. Let's see what it looks like before and after installation once again. DIY installation is really simple. Purchase your Ezonetronics product today on Amazon.